Nuclear bunker open this weekend. I knew there was a nuclear bunker along here. Wow, look at this, RAF bomber crash site. Well, that is pretty amazing though, isn't it? And here we are, finally made it to Chipping Campden. This is actually where my grandfather came from. I've only been a few times. They got a good Italian restaurant here. But I don't really come down these back roads because it's just a little bit too far for me. But I had a thought, and that was, why not have a little ride out here, because a lot of people love this place. It's very hilly though, so it's a good job I've got a 1500 watt motor. I think where I'm heading towards is called a place called Broadway Tower. It's about a 2.5 mile climb, so that's going to be interesting. Just try and see this little typical English Cotswold village. This again was another wool trading hub. That's how they made their money here. It was a very wealthy place in its time. And just for a bit of useless information, chipping in old terms means market. You got Chipping Campden, this place, Chipping Norton, Chipping Sodbury. They've all got an old name for market, which I didn't know until I had a quick look. I like these kind of rides anyway, just nice cruising, sun's out, it's not too hot, nice church. Some of these old wide streets. Look at the old places. Can definitely see some age. Which way should I go then? Not really sure what I'm doing. Can I go up here? We'll try. Slow it down a bit. We'll be out of this sort of built up place soon and onto the tower, which I've actually never been to. Never really interested me, to be honest, but it does now. Especially I'm on the e-bike. They've got their own coat of arms here as well. They're very posh. Look at this old building. This would have been the old trading place, I bet. Let's see if we can get a picture here quickly. There's too many people. I was going to go down those steps, but there's that warden. I don't really want him giving me a load of abuse. Wait for this car then. You can tell the age of a building. There's a lot of Shakespeare age. Look at them. And Georgian. The Georgians weren't that good at building, or they hadn't learnt enough by then, because you'll see a lot of those old buildings sagging and leaning. Look at that, it's like the Leaning Tower of Pizza. Crikey, hope you can see that. Oh, look at those old lights, they're worth a fortune. It's not a very big place. Worth a little cruise though. Well, it was, I wanted to come here because of via my destination, so I thought this route I'll pick for a few reasons. Don't like all this traffic. See what else we can find. What's that? Oh. Some public gardens. There's a load of people in there. Let's have a look this way. What is this? A sports centre? Yeah. Lovely little cottages. Not that I want to live in them. Wow. The size of that church. How'd you get in there? At the front? Yeah, I know. Where's the front? Oh, look at it. Look at the gatehouse for it. Somebody's little house right over there. Crikey, listen to those vultures. They make you dizzy looking at the top. Oh. The bells, Johnny. The bells. All those gargoyle stone carvings. Yeah, I am walking my bike. So many people around us. And respect to the dead. Right, I think I'm going to get out of here. I just saw that little building there randomly in the middle of nowhere, and then there's a wall just stood up over there, and the rest of the building seems to have crumbled down. Easy does it, Johnny. No one coming. I bet he has an old cart wash, isn't it? Talio, old chap. Where's this coat of arms then? Look at this, I just noticed this. Look at the front of their house. Look at those dogs. Very grand. Oh, a dog looking out the window. There's a coat of armour, or whatever it's called. Must be posh to have their own. We must be towards the end, so I'm going to have that massive hill climb now. I mean, it just keeps going and going for 2+ miles. I don't know whether to push the bike. I don't mean get off and push, I mean stick it in second or third and give it some, or just put it in first and assist with pedals. Turn it down. Oh, we need to go up here, sugar. I nearly forgot where I was going then. Some nice views. Nearly to the top. Check the controller. Nothing at all to concern myself with. Broadway Tower. Oh, fucking hell, what have you been doing, Carl? What is going on here? Someone micro camping or something? I reckon it's up there. Yeah, look, someone's micro camping. We've clapped eyes on it. Over there behind the bush. Hope we can get there. Parking. Nuclear bunker. Open this weekend. I knew there was a nuclear bunker along here. But I thought it was a mushroom farm and we'd never get access. I was wrong about that. Wow, look at this. RAF bomber crash site on the 2nd of June 1943. Crashed while on operational training. Oh. Get the metal detector up here. Hi. Oh wow, look at those views. That's the story about this tower. The person who built it wanted 360 views, I think, or they wanted to see a certain place, one of their other estates, so they built it here. So the story goes. I won't be going in there. We'll have a good look around, won't we? Until someone tells me to get off of your bike. I'm not riding it, and I'm not leaving it in that car park. God, it's probably a nuclear bunker here, isn't it? Look at that, what a viewpoint. It's definitely a bit windy up here. Oh, just wow. I don't think I've ever seen so far. There's actually a footpath that goes 102 miles from here and ends up in Bath. Bit touristy though, isn't it? Well, that is pretty amazing though, isn't it? Let's get out of here before I outstay my welcome. Let's go and see if I can find where that nuclear bunker is. Might be handy to know, considering what's going on at the moment. Change my mind, I will have a look down here. Oh, some ponies. A lot of people enjoying the weather. Oh wow. All I can smell is perfume. Loads of it. Dog playground and overflow car park. Can't see where that bunker is. Some more views. I'm sure they'll be loving me for riding across this, but needs must. I won't go near those horses though. Got some kind of Bambi in there. That's what they're making their burgers out of. See some nice hill climbs in there already. There must be some mountain bike track somewhere downhill. It's just finding it. But I haven't got time for that today. I'm about to start heading home because I've got a bit of a trek. I need to make sure I've got enough battery power, so I don't really want to be using my legs if I can help it. So I hope you enjoyed this upload. I know my uploads vary from ripping it flat out on aggressive trails to a nice mild little ride in the countryside and a bit of sightseeing. Yeah, so like I said, I hope you enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Moto Machines out.